For homeowners in Middleburg, Florida, a new door can make a world of difference. Whether you're upgrading for better security, improved energy efficiency, or enhanced curb appeal, professional door installation ensures your investment performs at its best. But what exactly happens during the process? Knowing what to expect helps you prepare, minimizes stress, and guarantees a smooth experience from start to finish. The initial consultation. The process begins with a professional consultation to understand your home's needs. Accurate measurements. Installers take precise measurements of the existing frame to ensure the new door fits properly. Material and style selection. From fiberglass and steel to modern glass panel designs, you'll have options that suit Middleburg's humid climate while reflecting your home's style. Climate-specific advice. Professionals recommend doors resistant to swelling, warping, and moisture, common issues in Florida homes. This step sets the foundation for a successful installation by pairing your goals with the right products. Preparing for installation day. Before the installation crew arrives, a little preparation makes the process faster and safer. Clear the entry area. Move rugs, furniture, and decorations away from the door. Secure pets and children. Keep them clear of the workspace for safety. Plan for noise and activity. Installation involves tools and movement, so prepare for some temporary disruption. With these preparations, the team can focus on the job while your belongings stay safe. Removing the old door on installation day. The first step is carefully removing your old door. Safe removal. Professionals detach hinges and hardware without damaging the surrounding frame. Frame inspection. Once the door is out, the frame and threshold are checked for water damage, rot, or mold. Repairs if needed. Any issues with the frame are corrected before the new door is installed. This attention to detail ensures a solid, long-lasting installation. Installing the new door with the frame prepped, it's time for the main event, fitting your new door. Precise alignment. Installers position the door so it opens and closes smoothly, with no sticking or gaps. Weatherproofing. Sealants, caulking, and weather stripping are applied to block drafts, dust, and moisture. Hardware installation. Handles, locks, and hinges are securely fitted and tested for both functionality and security. Each step is done with care, ensuring your door performs well against Middleburg's heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Finishing touches. Once the door is in place, professionals complete final adjustments. Threshold check. Ensures a snug fit along the bottom, preventing air leaks or water intrusion. Lock and latch testing. Every component is tested for durability and alignment. Cleanup. Installers remove old materials and debris, leaving your home clean and tidy. This stage guarantees your new door looks polished and operates flawlessly. Final walkthrough and guidance. At the end of the installation, the team will walk you through the finished project. Demonstration. You'll see how to operate the door, locks, and additional features. Maintenance tips. Professionals share advice on cleaning, lubricating hinges, and protecting finishes from Middleburg's humid climate. Warranty details. You'll receive information covering both the door and the installation itself. This ensures you know how to care for your investment for years to come. Final thoughts. For Middleburg homeowners, professional door installation is about more than replacing an entryway. It's about creating a safer, more efficient, and more beautiful home. From consultation and careful removal to precise installation and final walkthrough, professionals handle every detail to deliver lasting results. By knowing what to expect, you can feel confident throughout the process and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a secure, stylish, and weather-resistant door. Whether your goal is improved energy efficiency, better protection, or a fresh new look, professional installation makes all the difference.